So good morning friends. Yesterday I have given you a little glimpse of the lesson 6. The name of the lesson is the first Indian in space. So who was the first Indian in space? He was Rakesh Sharma. Let me read the first paragraphs. India sent its first astronaut Rakesh Sharma aboard Soviet spacecraft Yel 7 in April 1984. The first Indian to fly into space, Rakesh Sharma was born on January 13, 1949 in Patiala, Punjab. He was squadron's leader with the Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force, the short form is IAF. When he flew into space in 1984 as a part of joint programs between Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) and the Soviet Inter-Cosmo Space Program. So Rakesh Sharma, he was the first Indian who went to the space. He was an astronaut and he was the squadron's leader of Indian Air Force, who was born on January 13, 1949 in Patiala. Where is Patiala? In Punjab. So when he flew into space in 1984 as a part of joint programs, it is the joint programs between Indian Space Research Organization and the Soviet Inter-Cosmo Space Program. He was the first Indian to venture into space and bring new perspective into the country. So he was the first man who ventured into the India, and he shows the way for our Indian to go to the space. So that is the perspectives into the country. Although it is more than 30 years when Rakesh undertook that historical journey to space, it is still remembered among the people. Owing to his dedication and struggle, he became a part of the most distinctive space programs that involves only the best military cadets. So it is because of Rakesh Sharma that India created a history of sending the first person in space, and it is because of his hard works and dedications and struggles which make him to complete his missions to went to the space. So he was a military cadet, it will be good. Yeah. Sharma joined the Indian Air Force in 1970 as a pilot officer and joining the National Defense Academy NDA as an IAF cadet in 1966. In 1970, after joining the Indian Air Force as a test pilot, his passion for flying opened up several opportunities, such as being a part of the war operations against Pakistan. So he came to the Indian Air Force through National Defense Academy, that is called NDA, and he became a very prominent member of the Indian Air Force. And not only this ones, he also took part in the war against Pakistan's war operations against Pakistan. He flew various Mikons, Corvix aircrafts starting from 1971. In 1984, he was appointed as the squadron leader and pilot of Indian Air Force when he embarked on the historic mission as a part of the joint space programs between India and Space Research Organization and the Soviet Inter-Cosmo Space Program, and spent 8 days in space abroad in this space station. So he spent 8 days there. When he has performed very well in the Indian Air Force, he was selected for this space mission. And these missions, space missions, it is a joint ventures between India and Russia. And he went to the space station. Their students, so in space also, the scientists created some station, like as we are having the house and this thing, they also make there. So they study there. So he went there in the spacecraft with the help of Soviet Cosmo programs, and he stayed there for 8 days. So this is the first 3 paragraphs which we'll have discussed here. So now some of the meanings that is given already here, you will have to be see the meanings. Quadron, operation unit in Air Force, ventures and undertaking involving risks, perspectives, outlook, distinctive particular characteristic of a person, thing, and the patience, strong emotion, and embank means begins. So these are some of the new words you will have to learn these ones. And in the next class we'll have to be take the another paragraphs of this one. So you go through these lessons till these third paragraphs which I have discussed here. So and when we'll have to be complete these lessons, I'll take you dictation. So that's why when you read these lessons, you will have to be go each and every words very carefully and pronounce correctly. Till then,